I am Joshua Rappaport, the broker at REMAX Romantica. I've been helping international buyers feel at home in Puerto Vallarta for over 20 years. Welcome to this lush, tropical jungle setting here in the exclusive Lomas del Pacifico area of Mismaloya. This house perfectly combines jungle setting, ocean views with Mexican architecture. This is Villa Vista Los Arcos, a multi-level jungle paradise. Come with me today as we see this incredible villa. From the moment you step inside, Villa Vista Los Arcos surrounds you with character. The architectural details are absolutely stunning. Welcome to Casita del Sol. The villa has 4 independent bedrooms, 3 of which are in these adorable casitas. This one has its own kitchenette, as we can see behind me. Each bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom with traditional Mexican tile. Now, what truly sets this property apart is its incredible layout and flexibility. Because of its multi-level design, this home functions perfectly as a massive family compound or as a high-yield rental investment. In fact, to give you complete privacy, the main house features 2 fully equipped indoor kitchens, allowing you to easily separate the living spaces for guests or renters. Welcome to Villa Vista Banderas. Whether you are looking for a distinctive luxury lifestyle in one of Vallarta's most picturesque settings or a proven income-generating property, Vista Los Arcos delivers on every front. Welcome to Villa Jardín. Welcome to Villa Mariposa. And when it's time to entertain, this is where you want to be. Down here in the outdoor living area, we have the 3rd kitchen, a dedicated outdoor setup perfect for poolside barbecues. You have a refreshing pool, a relaxing jacuzzi, and total privacy surrounded by the Mismaloya jungle. It is the ultimate escape. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Villa Vista Los Arcos. Properties with this much charm are not that easy to find here on the South Shore of Puerto Vallarta. I'm Joshua Rappaport, broker of REMAX Romantica. Thank you for coming with me, and I'll see you on the next one.